Would you like to get divorced, but without all the hassles and the expense of an ugly courtroom drama? Well, fortunately today, you have many options, and these options can make a difference so that you can avoid the expense and the hassle of an ugly courtroom drama. The most important thing that I can do for you is to listen so that you can decide which process is best for you. I've actually helped many clients throughout Northeast Ohio experience and learn the fact that divorce does not have to cost tens of thousands of dollars, nor does it have to take months or even years on end. Divorce is one of the most difficult issues a person can face in their life. I know, I'm divorced myself. If you're contemplating divorce, give me a call. I know that every case and every story is different. Let me help you with yours.